Hey everyone, let's look at the determinant of price elasticity of supply. Time is the primary determinant, and we are going to consider the immediate market period, the short run, and the long run. And the example we have is the market for produce. It can be any produce of your choice. So in the immediate market period, the supply of farm produce is fixed. No matter how much the demand increases, the quantity stays the same, only the price will go up. Say a farmer decides to sell 10 pounds of potatoes, and he has a fixed supply of potatoes. If the preferences goes up, the demand curve will shift to the right. So this is the initial point, this is the new point. We just see an increase in price without any increase in quantity. Now take a look at the short run. So the short run, the market supply curve is more elastic compared to the immediate market period. We are going to say the land is fixed, but the labor is variable, the machineries are variable, then the fertilizer, that's also a variable input. When demand increases, the price is increasing. However, you see the percentage change in quantities supplied. This is still less than the percentage change in price. So I'm going to say here the percentage change in quantity supplied is still less than the percentage change in price. More or less inelastic, but definitely more elastic than before. So perfectly inelastic means a straight or vertical supply curve. Inelastic is a little bit flat, is not as steep as before, but little bit slanting. Now take a look at the long run here. Long run, everything is variable. Say land, say labor, say fertilizer, say equipment. So all the factors of production are variable. Over here the supply curve is very elastic because the percentage change in quantity supplied is greater than the percentage change in price of the product. Okay, so here I have summarized the immediate market period, the short run and the long run. And if you look at the demand and supply curves, this will make sense. And as you can see here, long run, the supply curve is relatively flat. That's it for now. Thank you.